Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this little beauty is my new garment steam iron from ZOKEZ. There are two options of steam levels. I use it on the high option, and as you can see, a ton of steam comes out, which makes it work really fast. I love using it on my dresses. It took me about 5 minutes to steam all the wrinkles out of this long dress, which is a great time saver. I also love using it for my husband's dress shirts or really just any clothing item. It works really great. It's a really nice size. It's not too heavy, and you can also use it flat on an ironing board, and it just does a really great job. And not to mention, it's so pretty. It's also really easy to use. It has a button in the front to turn it on and to choose your steam level, either 1 or 2. And it has a trigger on the inside that makes the steam come out. And it's also really easy to pop out the water tank, fill it up, and you are good to go. So if you're looking for a new steamer that is not going to take up too much space and going to make ironing or steaming your clothes an easy task, definitely check out this garment steam iron from ZOKEZ. You won't be disappointed, and that's just my point of view.